Hello, my dear students. We are uh, about to finish the chapter today. We want to study about the colloids around us. Most of the substances we come across in our daily life are colloids. Examples: the meal we eat, the clothes we wear, the wooden furniture we use, the house we live in, the newspaper we read, and all these are colloids. Some more noteworthy examples of colloids are: number one, blue color of the sky. Just dust particles along with water suspended in air scatter the blue light which reaches our eyes and the sky looks blue to us. Fog, mist, and rain. When a large mass of air containing dust particle is cooled below its dew point, the moisture from the air condenses on the surface of these particles, forming fine droplets. These droplets, being colloidal in nature, continue to float in air in the form of mist or fog. This is how mist or fog are produced. Now let us study about the clouds. These clouds are aerosols having small droplets of water suspended in air. On account of condensation in the upper atmosphere, the colloidal droplets of water grow bigger and bigger in size till they come down in the form of rain. Sometimes the rainfall occurs when two oppositely charged clouds meet. It is possible to cause the artificial rain by throwing electrified sand or by spraying a sol carrying charges opposite to one on cloud from an aeroplane. So this is how we can cause the artificial rain. Food articles: milk, butter, halwa, ice cream, fruit juices, etc., are colloid in one form or the other. Then we have blood. Blood is a colloidal solution of an albuminoid substances. The stypic action of alum and ferric chloride solution is due to the coagulation of blood forming a clot which stops further bleeding. Let us understand the meaning of stypic action. Stypic action, that is an action that stops bleeding from the cut. Albuminoid substances, or you can say the proteins present in the blood, are in the colloidal nature. So aluminum plus 3 present in alum or Fe plus 3 present in ferric chloride cause clotting of blood, thus bleeding stops. Then we need to understand about the soil. The fertile soil are colloid in nature, in which humus act as a protective colloid. On account of colloidal nature, soil absorbs moisture and nourishing material. So this is how the adsorption of soil or adsorption due to soil takes place. The formation of delta. River water is a colloidal solution of clay, where sea water contains a number of electrolytes. When river water meets sea water, the electrolyte present in the sea water coagulate then and coagulate the colloidal solution of clay, resulting in its deposition with the formation of delta. So the clay particles the uh, from the river are deposited near the meeting point of the sea and river, and thus the deltas are formed. Now we'll study about the applications of colloids. The first application is electrical precipitation of smoke, which is also known as the Cottrell's electroprecipitator. Smoke is an aerosol of solid particles such as carbon or arsenic compound or dust in air. Smoke before it comes out from the chimney is led through or passed through. Led through, or you can say it is passed through a chamber containing plates having a charge opposite to that carried by smoke particles. The particles, by coming in contact with these plates, lose their charge and get precipitated. You can see here that the smoke particle get or enters into this chamber. This is the Cottrell's smoke precipitators, which is having the exactly opposite charge to the particles of the smoke. The high voltage electrode, more than 30,000 volts or more, is applied to it. So this oppositely charged particles attached to this precipitator, and when we stop applying the charges, the charges or these particles of smoke, they get neutralized with this charged particle and then they fall under it. So these are the particles of this impurities or that, and then this gas is free from the carbon particle goes out, and these are the carbon particles which are precipitated. These are the precipitated particles, and this is what it is known as the Cottrell smoke precipitator. The particles thus settle down on the floor of the chamber. The precipitator is called the Cottrell's precipitator. Then we have the next thing to understand, or next application: purification of drinking water. The water obtained from the natural sources often contains some suspended impurities. This alum is used to make this water suitable for drinking, because when alum is added to such water to coagulate the suspended impurities and make water fit for drinking purpose. Then we have medicines. Most of the medicines are colloidal in nature, so they can be easily absorbed in the body. Example is argyrol is a silver sol used as a eye lotion. Colloidal antimony is used to cure kalazar. Colloidal, which is also known as kali khasi, or colloidal gold, is used for uh, intramuscular injection. This kalajar sometimes is a kind of fever or khasi or something like that. um, uh, Colloidal gold is used for intramuscular injection. Milk of magnesia, which is an emulsion, is used for stomach disorders, especially the acidity. This milk of magnesia neutralize the acids into the stomach and used as an antacid. Milk of magnesia is an emulsion. Please remember this. Colloidal medicines are more effective because they have large surface area, and they are they are therefore easily assimilated. Tanning. This is the process. Animal hides are. Let us study this topic into the next video. I hope you are enjoying. Happy learning.